offer your seat to pregnant women, senior citizens, and disabled persons.
如果實質嘅邊個工啊？呢啲嘅邊個工業學嘅？
I think one because it's not handover, so it's not technically not property
But
of
we know the
KMB.
bus is belong to KMB.
It's KMB order, but as long as the bus haven't been officially handed over, it's not property of KMB.
Yeah. Even the plate also not established yet.
Yeah.
The car plate.
Red bus can always use the excuse that this is
Station
educational tour.
berikutnya, Surian. Next station, Surian.
Because the bus itself is just a bus.
Yeah.
There's no ID connected to KMB. There's not even a logo.
Yeah. Also, it's just a plain painted in red color only. From the time we deliver to Auckland, the DB logo, right?
Yeah. That one is not of handover also. It's not yet handover.
We
So
deliver.
handover is once KMB receive those buses, then that is handover.
Anda akan tiba di Surian. Pintu di sebelah kiri akan dibuka. You are now approaching Surian. Exit to the left door.
Anda dikehendaki sentiasa memakai topeng muka semasa berada di stesen dan di dalam tren. Bersama kita putuskan rantaian COVID-19.
Attention! You are required to wear a face mask at all times while at the station and on board the train. Let's break the COVID-19 chain together.
Stesen berikutnya, Kota Damansara. Next station, Kota Damansara. tiba di Kota Damansara. Pintu di sebelah kiri akan dibuka. You are now approaching Kota Damansara. Exit to the left door.
That's not real sleep, right? sleep so bad.
Dor untuk wanita mengandung, warga emas dan orang kelainan upaya. Offer your seat to pregnant women, senior citizens, and disabled persons. Stesen berikutnya, Kuasa Central. Next station, Kuasa Central.
MRMC, I cannot pick up Amina today this morning. They mean
I'm sleeping again. Apologies, sing both song. Oh, the water is so
this one is just one of the depression usual they form artificially in the middle island and here also got
Anda akan tiba di Kuasa Central. Pintu di sebelah kiri akan dibuka. You are now approaching Kuasa Central. Exit to the left door.
Now we're completing now. Now we're complete separately.
Stesen berikutnya, Kuasa Damansara. Next station, Kuasa Damansara. Damansara. Pintu di sebelah kanan akan dibuka. You are now approaching Kuasa Damansara. Exit to the right door.
Có nhiều không vậy?
Hả?
Có nhiều vậy à?
At least should be 10, right? 9, around 9 people are start closing already this day.
เราอย่าละเสียเยอะแล้วclose only at 9:45 only.
Yeah lah. Last round when I was here at February 9 o'clock they start closing already.
No, the big shop, you don't buy small shop, you buy the big shop, right? Like Wheel, the Wheel there, and then the street computer there. 9:45 only they don't allow people to but inside still got people.
Yeah lah.
Stesen berikutnya, Kampung Selamat. Next station, Kampung Selamat.
Selamat. Oh ya ya. Ini datang sini mesti selamat. Then this one, sir.
Not yet.
We are now
In the midst of
because we don't want to do too many Sunday clap together.
too many.
True. But next we do one open festival. The China Selatan.
Yeah, the one I will go.
And then the MRT depot also. Not only this one.
But for this month, we right past. I mean, for next month, we right past the delivery.
That one wait till they are because we all suddenly we got quite a lot of cab and go.
Okay.
Oh, look at traffic. It's the food.
Anda akan tiba di Kampung Selamat. Pintu di sebelah kiri akan dibuka. You are now approaching Kampung Selamat. Exit to the left door.
KTM.
Yeah. What about KTM? Can you find out whether KTM go until Rawang or because let's say now go
Stesen
until Rawang,
berikutnya,
then have to change
Sungai Buloh
train.
dan stesen terakhir MRT laluan Sungai Buloh Kajang. Stesen pertukaran ke laluan KTM.
We go to Sungai Buloh there.
Next station,
The bus station.
Sungai Buloh, and final station of MRT Sungai Buloh Kajang Line.
Huh? Oh yeah, you know this. You probably think. What? No lah, I asked you to use my daddy.
Oh no, I didn't use it.
You use daddy, right?
Yes. Unlimited. This one can travel freely anytime. If you without my 30, you know how much like
Anda akan tiba di Sungai Buloh dan stesen terakhir MRT laluan Sungai Buloh Kajang. Ini adalah stesen pertukaran ke laluan KTM. Pintu di sebelah kanan akan dibuka. You are now approaching Sungai Buloh and final station of MRT Sungai Buloh Kajang Line.
The announcement that they
Exit to the right door.